Hi, it's Eric Dahl, owner of Dahl Integration Marketing, author of the Funnel Vision Method, marketing trainer, and speaker. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to adapt proven Facebook ad strategies to the unique goals of your business. What many people forget when it comes to marketing through Facebook ads is that the best strategy will vary depending on what it is that you're trying to accomplish. When I first started with Facebook ads, I found a lot of information on running ads, but it was extremely difficult to duplicate the results I was reading about for my own business. In this video, we'll look a little bit at why that is, and how to make sure you're using the right methods to best achieve your goals. Additionally, I documented our process and put together a free report that you can download below that lays out the entire Facebook ad campaign we deployed for one of our clients, so you can see what's possible when you implement these Facebook ad strategies. For selling a product. If your aim is to sell a product, then the single most important thing is that you very precisely target your audience, even to the point of filtering. Look at it this way. You are paying each time someone clicks on your ad. And as such, you want to try and get as few people as possible to click. You're looking for quality clicks. Your ROI is dependent on getting the highest possible percentage of clicks to convert into sales. So one thing you need to do is to filter out all of the people who might click on your ad and then not actually buy anything. So how might you do this? One trick will be to make sure you are using the Facebook ads feature to target the users precisely. If you're selling wedding dresses, for example, then you only want to target people who are female and engaged. The other trick, though, is to put the price right there in the title. When people see that you're selling a fitness ebook, for example, for $30, then they probably won't click unless they're willing to at least entertain the idea of spending that much money on an ebook. You can even weigh the odds further in your favor by having the book on discount and available for less once they load up the page. Now, if you're selling a service, then you'll want to focus on implementing the next Facebook ad strategies. When selling a service, it's actually more important than you think to capture leads rather than customers. The more expensive the service you're going to sell, the more you need to build trust and interest first. Thus, you're going to need to be willing to sink a little money up front in order to invest in future sales and the customer lifetime value. To do this, you may want to avoid focusing purely on the types of ads that send people to a website or offer a special promotion. Instead, try a cost per action campaign to get Facebook likes or subscribers. Cost per action means you're only paying when someone actually goes through with the action you choose. Now, if you're promoting a website, then you'll want to focus on implementing the next Facebook ad strategies. On the other hand, if your aim is just to spread brand awareness and to get more fans for your website, then you need as many people as possible to click on your ad. The same is true if you have a sales funnel that you're very confident in. Now, you still want to target your ad, but at the same time, you want to do everything you can to get people to click on it, because that's where you'll start seeing impressions and converting visitors to leads. In this case, you certainly wouldn't want to mention the price. And you may even try being purposefully vague in order to get people to respond out of curiosity. Then again, if your ad is intended to build Facebook page likes, you'll probably be using cost per action. Again, this means you're only paying when someone actually goes through with the action of liking the page, meaning you can change your strategy entirely once again. Now, if you're promoting for a local business, then you'll want to focus on implementing the next Facebook ad strategies. For local businesses, the key metric for targeting is, of course, going to be local. If you have a local store or office, then there's no point in advertising to other countries unless you're able to deliver there. It will be worth setting up some kind of order form or e-commerce store if you want to make the most from Facebook ads. The good news is using local targeting will help you avoid direct competition with the huge players like Amazon. Local businesses are about building personal relationships with your audiences. Whether you're a hair salon or a restaurant, to conclude, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy when it comes to implementing Facebook ad strategies specifically for your business. Be sure to think it through and to tweak the variables so that you maximize return on investment and not just clicks. And this is where this free case study comes in. Here you'll learn our proven Facebook ads formula that's working for our clients in various industries as I record this. Most importantly, you'll see how to apply our formula with your own campaign, your own page, and your own brand. You'll learn the what, but also the how and the why. Ultimately, when you properly implement our formula, you'll learn how to generate fans, followers, and turn them into excited customers. Go download the free case study now while it's available, because you'll learn insider information on how our clients are cashing in on the power of Facebook's advertising platform. Big time. More importantly, how you can too. Click below to download your free case study now.